Hello everyone and welcome back to Nextilo. This is Dr. Vishal. Today I am here to address a very important topic. Rather, I would call it a myth-busting video. And it is about Croc. Yes, you guys heard it right. We were getting a lot of queries regarding this exam. So let's get on to this very quickly. So firstly, I would like to give a small introduction about Croc. So Croc is a Ukrainian medical licensing examination which is held in two steps, Croc 1 and Croc 2. So Croc 1, or also known as USQE, that is Unified State Qualification Exam. This exam consists of general scientific disciplines which is passed after studying the basic fundamentals. That is all your preclinical and paraclinical subjects, and this is held at the end of third year, right? Then Croc 2. This exam consists of all the professional subjects covered in the curriculum. And this exam consists of the main major 5 subjects, that is your surgery, medicine, obs and gynae, pediatrics, and hygiene, or preventive and social medicine. Croc 2 exam is a part of your graduation exam, which is held at the end of 6th year. Now let's take most frequently asked questions from the students. Sir, is this a very tough exam? No, this is not a tough exam. In fact, the main purpose of this exam is to check the basic fundamental knowledge of the student. Mostly questions are recalled. I would say, in fact, that the most questions are must-known facts for an undergraduate. So this exam is not tough. Sir, what are the resources which we may refer while preparing for the Croc? Look, firstly, stick to the university basic curriculum. Stick to the standard textbooks. And Team Nextilo is here for your overall guidance. You can practice all the bases, all the booklets, and all Croc related questions in the Nextilo's app. Sir, does this exam preparation helps in clearing MCI as well? A big yes. Why not? Let me elaborate it for you. For that matter of fact, for cracking any exam in the world, there are 4 keys: dedication, consistency, time management, and smart work. I'll give you an example. For example, you have studied any topic, let it be any subject. If you have covered that topic, and then you try to go through some questions of that topic, let it be any exam, you'll come to know when you will analyze. Topics are not going to change. The most common things are not going to change. The concepts are not going to change. Of course, the way of framing questions, right? The approach to question and clinical correlation matters a lot. But this can be improved. You can get command over it easily by practicing the questions more. Now, how Nextilo is going to help you in your Croc preparation? See, we'll be helping you in solving all the bases and booklets in a more simplified way. Moreover, I'll be helping you personally over this time span of preparation. We'll focus on the bases first, and then we'll gradually move on to the booklets for a better understanding. I assure you, once you complete the detailed video explanation of the bases as well as the booklets, not only you will pass the Croc with flying colors, but also it will give you a boost. It will give you much confidence. Someone has rightly said, the best way to predict future is to create it. And Team Nextilo is going to help to create your better future. You can write all your queries on support@nextilo.com and we'll be happy to answer them all. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and stay connected.